I'm currently doing an oil change on these Yamaha F250s, and a while back we had a little bit of a scare where the engine would just crank and crank, and he was looking for things, and my dad happened to go into this fuse box, and well, I'm not going to take it apart, but this 30 amp fuse, or one of these two, is for your starter relay. And believe it or not, if that fuse is popped, your gauge, well, first off, it'll just crank and crank. It'll act as if your kill switch is off. Well, let me turn this off just for display. Here a sec. If you try to turn your engine and your gauge is just reading a dash and it's not really displaying anything like it is right now, one of the first things I would have thought was there's a communication issue with the ECM, but when we looked at ours, we fixed ours. It was a simple 30 amp fuse that's on the engine block. So if you run across a situation where your engine is just turning over and not starting, and your gauge isn't reading anything, check the 30 amp fuse first.